All right, so I just got this. It's a Ring video doorbell. It's for the home in your hands. You got to download the app, and let's go ahead and see what's in here. Slice that. All right, here we go. See what comes in the box. Right, there's one section of the box. I believe this is the doorbell itself. And anything else? That's it. All right, let's hang on to this because who knows what we're going to do with it. So let's take a look at our doorbell. Okay, there's our doorbell, right? It's got a back panel on it. It's got this, which we got to pull off. Let's see what we got up here. Some more protective plastic stuff that doesn't want to come off easy. Whoops. Okay, that's that. All right, so here's your unit itself. Connect to low voltage power only. We may have to do some reading on this because I don't believe that this... Does this come off? Nope. So this must just have... You have to direct wire it, I think. Let's see what they gave us. Oh, look. We got a setup guide. We got a tool that apparently we're going to need, which is like one of those... Oh, see, look, it goes in here. And you can unscrew stuff if we have to, I guess. So now we got a USB to regular for it. So I think we just charge this right here. We plug it in, let it charge, and then we can connect everything via the app. So this is the new generation one. This is one of the newer ones. And it's going to take me a while to figure it out. I will make a video on how to do that. But that's what you get in the box. You get the unit itself. You get a USB-C, no, I'm sorry, USB regular cord, just like what you'd use with an Android. And you get this interesting tool, and this does this come off? I don't know. Oh, look. Yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, now I see what's going on. So this is the plate that goes on the door. So the battery must be inside, and you must have to charge it here. That's what I'm assuming. All right, we're going to have to do some work on this, figure it all out, and then we'll come back and make a video on it. But for right now, that's the unboxing of the Ring doorbell.